Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I'll be teaching you how to set a password on the lock screen of your Galaxy A16, all versions. First, you're going to open the settings icon. Here, you'll scroll down until you find this option. We're going to tap there, select the first option, and now you'll choose a password. We have PIN, where you can only use numbers, and password, where you can use numbers and letters. And here we have the pattern password, which is the one I'm going to choose. So here you enter your password. If you make a mistake, tap this option and you can re-enter your password, okay? Once you've entered the password correctly, tap Continue, re-enter the password, and then tap the Confirm button. After doing that, we tap down here. Now we can lock the phone, and you already have a password set on your Galaxy A16's lock screen. When you enter the password, the phone unlocks. And that was today's video. I hope I was able to help you. If I did help, don't forget to leave a like. Leave your comment down below, and if possible, subscribe to the channel for more videos.